Hello YouTube people, in today's video we are going to be making keto chocolate chip cookies. And this is based off the fact that a lot of people love oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. If you're one of the weird ones like me, you like oatmeal raisin chocolate chip cookies, or oatmeal raisin chocolate chip. Oatmeal raisin cookies a lot too, but today we're just going to be focusing on oatmeal chocolate chip because more people tend to like them. And it's kind of hard to find a keto alternative because there aren't any oat alternatives really, although we can find something that has a similar texture, so that's what I did in this recipe. And I'm going to show a little clip of what they turned out like here. Hopefully you guys think they look good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just get right into making them. This is an easy recipe. Hope you guys like it, and of course, as usual, you can find the full recipe in the description box below if you don't want to watch the whole video. All right, and let's just get into it. Here we go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is add 1 cup of almond flour to our bowl. This is gonna be the base of our cookies. Next, I'm adding 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 9 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Then I had my inspector come and make sure my baking was solid. Next, I added 1/4 cup of flax meal, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon psyllium powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then I started mixing before I realized you have to add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So don't forget that, but then we're just going to whisk all of this together. And then we're going to set it aside. Grab another larger bowl, and to that add 1/2 cup of softened butter. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of sucrin brown sweetener. This is optional. You can also use just regular sweetener for the brown sweetener. And then we'll add 75 grams of powdered monk fruit sweetener. Now we'll just beat this together using a hand mixer. I like to slowly kind of mix everything at the beginning so that the sweeteners don't fly everywhere. And then after that point, you can start actually beating the mixture. Once everything is mixed together, we'll also add 2 eggs, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we'll just beat everything together again until smooth. Once that's done, we can add our dry ingredients from before. And just mix very well until you get a nice thick dough. Now we can go ahead and add our walnuts and our chocolate chips. I'm using about 1/4 cup of each. And again, we'll just mix everything together. Next, we will take a large cookie sheet and we're just going to grease it well with some butter. And you might need 2 cookie sheets for this. And then we're just going to gently scoop some batter a few inches apart on all of the cookie sheets. And you can kind of help them flatten out like a little bit just before you bake them to help them keep their shape a bit better. But overall, they should bake fine just like this. And then we'll put them in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And this is what they look like after. Once they've had time to cool for quite a bit, you can start lifting them off the tray onto a plate. And enjoy! Hey guys, so that is the end to this oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe. Usually I do an outro where I try the cookie or whatever I baked on camera, but I've already eaten 2 of these in like 5 minutes, so I'm not gonna eat more, but all I can tell you is these are so good. Like if you like chocolate chip cookies or oatmeal chocolate chip cookies in general, you will love these. Even if you just want a really good keto cookie recipe, highly recommend these. You will not be disappointed. Your family members will not be disappointed. I could eat 1 million of them. And I honestly prefer these to regular chocolate chip cookies, so that's how good they are. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. As usual, please comment, like, and subscribe if you like this recipe. And you can find the full version down below, as well as tons of other recipes that I've made already. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, goodbye.